Without a doubt, ROG's Swift PG32UQ is going to be a huge hit. Let's take a look at its amazing features. The 32-inch 4K 144Hz monitor features an IPS panel and 1 millisecond moving picture response time. It is NVIDIA G-Sync compatible and features exclusive variable overdrive to reduce ghosting. In addition, it has Eon VSync technology to eliminate motion blur and meets Display HDR 600 criteria to provide exceptional gaming visuals. Taking a look at the rear of the monitor, we have one DisplayPort 1.4 with display string compression and two HDMI 2.1. Whether you're a PC or console gamer, PG32UQ is perfect for you if you want to play on a big screen. Aside from that, we're pleased to announce our upcoming range of 28-inch and 43-inch HDMI 2.1 gaming monitors. More details to come.